Hi, this is Rebecca living in 49th Ward of Guntur Municipal Corporation. The Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs has launched Meri Life Mera Swach shehar, means My Life, My Clean City under Swachh Bharat Mission. As a part of this program, the Guntur Municipal Corporation has started RRR centers in our cities. The RRR centers help us to reuse, reduce, and recycle the waste products like old clothes, papers, shoes, toys, and unused plastics. And these RRR centers are helpful for us to reduce the waste products and also these RRR centers protect the environment for future generations. Thank you.